Traditional hiring is still expensive, and book hiring, training, compliance, tax credits, other stuff like background checks, drug screens, assessment costs, wow. Between 2 and 8 guys hire, and 50% of them leave us every year. That's our turnover. Moreover, people are the biggest investment for all sizes of companies, and the right people can be your greatest advantage. How do you find, engage, and hire the most promising candidates before the competition beats you to them? So we need a process that will make the entire process better and cheaper, and moreover, digital. An ATS is a type of software application that handles the entire recruitment process, sourcing to hiring. Namely, by sorting through thousands of resumes to determine which ones are the best fit for the positions for which they were submitted. ATS provides a relaxed, collective, and an inexpensive solution. A recruitment software that empowers recruiters with a complete recruiting functionality in every step of staffing and recruiting process, right from sourcing to hiring candidates. A complete solution for hiring companies and recruiting departments or corporate HRs to acquire, screen, assess, and position candidates in a short span of time. Applicant tracking systems do not process your resume so differently from recruiters glancing at your resume, as both are looking for certain criteria for inclusion. Whereas, human recruiters are often looking for grounds for automatic rejection, such as spelling errors or lack of relevant skills. Applicant tracking systems operate by searching resumes for keywords. Now, let's see how the ATS works. Once you sign up into an account as an organization, you can add multiple users into it: admin, business users, HR manager, and recruiter. The main user is called admin, who can view, add, delete, extract, and make customization in settings. The next one is business users. They are the ones who place the job requirement into the system. They can view, add, or delete the data before submitting it to the HR. Because of security reasons, they cannot extract the details, but he can reject the candidates submitted by the HR manager whom he feels unfit. The other options are the HR and the recruiter. An HR, who can accept the job, post the job into the website and other mediums, assign the recruiters to conduct the test. He can also review the candidate's profile and send it to the business users. Once confirmed by the business user, the HR can release the offer letter through the system itself. Recruiter, who can accept the applications, conduct the test, and filter the candidates before submitting it to the HR manager. He can also write notes and comments to the particular record. Generally, applicant tracking systems process resumes submitted by the applicants and sometimes even use social media to actively recruit prospective employees. When you submit your resume through an ATS, it stores your resume and an entry in the database. The recruiters then search for keywords for the particular job opening. If your resume contains the keywords that the employer wants, then the ATS will rank you higher in the search results. The keyword searches by recruiters include the skills and experiences specific to the particular job opening. The recruiter can even command the ATS to search the company's entire database of resumes to look for candidates with certain qualifications. This means that even if you submitted your resume a long time ago and never got a response, the company may have kept it on file in its database, and the ATS might identify you as a good candidate for a different position long after you originally submitted your resume. Okay,